As technology continues to emerge and advance, the younger generation has become increasingly curious and engaged with it. The integration of AI into daily life has become a norm and has influenced society in a plethora of ways. This trend is gradually taking over the world as we know it, and the younger generation has taken notice and is embracing this change with open arms. The new generation is actively involved in the digital realm and has been labeled as digital natives, meaning that they have grown up with and are comfortable with technology. It makes sense then that they would be more open-minded and curious about artificial intelligence. For them, AI is not an unfamiliar topic or something to be afraid of. They see it as a part of their world and something they can embrace and utilize to improve their lives. One way that AI is being integrated into the lives of young people is through education. Many schools and universities are now incorporating AI into their curriculums. Students are being taught how to create and use AI to solve real-world problems and are being given opportunities to apply their knowledge in innovative ways. They are also learning about the impact AI will have on their future in the business world. This is important because AI has the potential to impact many industries, and the younger generation needs to be equipped to embrace and adapt to these changes. Another way the younger generation is engaging with AI is through personal use. Many have AI assistants like Amazon's Alexa, Google Assistant, or Apple Siri in their homes and use them to perform various tasks. They are also using AI for entertainment, such as video game development. AI has been used to create more immersive and intelligent game experiences, where the game can learn the player's behavior and adjust gameplay accordingly. AI is also making an impact on social media. AI-powered chatbots are used to help businesses interact with customers on platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Younger generations, who are avid users of social media, can interact with brands in more sophisticated ways. It's not just AI's impact on the current generation that is exciting, it's also its potential to assist future generations. AI has the potential to transform the way children learn and evolve. Analyzing an individual's strengths, weaknesses, and patterns of learning can create a personalized learning experience tailored to their needs. AI models can develop new teaching techniques that complement each student's learning style, such as feedback mechanisms and simulations. It can create interactive lesson plans that make it easy for children and young adults to learn independently. However, like any innovation, AI comes with a set of unknowns and ethical dilemmas. The more advanced the technology, and the more people rely on it, the more impact it has on society. Misuse of AI or lack of regulation can create dangerous consequences. For example, if a learning algorithm is fed data from biased or discriminatory sources, it will perpetuate those prejudices in its recommendations. On social media, content that is picked by AI algorithms can harm children emotionally and psychologically. In conclusion, artificial intelligence is a rapidly evolving technology that has captured the imaginations of the younger generation. As AI continues to become a more prominent aspect of everyday life, it will be the younger generations that are the most adept and comfortable utilizing it. Learning about the possibilities and limitations of how AI can be used and regulated is becoming increasingly important. The future of AI-driven innovations has enormous potential, and younger generations can be the ones to usher in a new era of possibilities with AI. However, they need to remain vigilant of its impact and dissonance with pre-existing norms. AI should be utilized to improve society, not create new problems. It is collaborative efforts and open conversations that can help guide the proliferation and integration of AI technology while preventing any adverse consequences.